Hey guys, welcome to Hokma Finance Canada, where financial wisdom meets Canadian expertise. Subscribe now for smart money moves. Also, explore valuable resources and helpful links in the description below. Let's get started. In this video we're going to show you how to view your account number in TD Bank app. To start, open the app by tapping on it. Once the app is opened and you have successfully logged in, you will see several options. Tap on the option that says My Accounts. Next, tap on your checking account. On this screen, you will see several tabs. Tap on the Summary tab. And here you will see a section for your account number. That's how you view your account number in TD Bank app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day.